Hey guys, so today I have a new Boxycharm unboxing. This is my May box. Sorry if you hear crying. My kitten is in my lap. She's having her first time in heat right now, which I feel so bad for her because she's so confused. And she just keeps crying, so. Yeah, if you hear her crying, that's what that is. But she's just gonna probably chill out right here. Anyway, let's get into what we got in my Boxycharm this month. Actually was not very excited about this month. And yeah, we'll get into it. It's not the best month that I've had. I'm sure value-wise it's still probably good, but I'm not super excited about everything. But first, let's do the choice item. So I got the Tarte Shape Tape Glow Wand in the shade Aglow, and this is what it looks like. It has a little sponge on the bottom, and this is like a concealer slash liquid highlighter. I think I'll probably use it as both, but if I'm going to use it as a concealer, it'll be like kind of under eye, and I don't do that very often, but that's what it looks like. You can tell it has a really nice, pretty glow to it. And I'm excited about that. I think that this one will be fun to try and to play around with. I didn't get a little paper in my box, but I have my computer here. And this retails, it's on the Boxycharm site for $27. I don't think I'd buy this for $27, but yeah, we do have that. And I think I will probably use it more as a highlighter than a concealer. The next and last makeup product that we got was this TYMT Haze Smoky Eye Pencil, and it's the black one. And this is what it looks like. It's just a black pencil liner. It is, oh, she's biting my hair. Yeah. This is what it looks like. It's just a black. It's pretty smooth and pretty dark. So, I mean, I'm sure I'll get good use out of this. I have a lot of black liners, so like, I don't need it, but I mean, it's fine. It's something that I'll use. And this retails for $18. Expensive. All right, now we have 2 skincare products and 1 hair care product. So let's do the hair one first. This is from Drybar. It is the Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. And I mean, it looks nice. The packaging is nice. This retails for $27. And it's just a heat protectant spray. It says put it on dry hair before using hot tools. I mean, that's nice. I never use heat on my hair. So, I mean, it'll be nice to have, like, if I ever do use heat on my hair, but I literally never do. I probably won't get that much use out of this, but I can see why other people would like getting that. All right, now we have 2 skincare products. Okay, this is the Beekman Dewy Eyed Illuminating Eye Serum. I haven't even opened this box yet. This retails for $42 on the Boxycharm site, which is expensive. At least I think it is. It comes in a little dust bag, which is kind of bougie. This is what it looks like. It's pretty small, but most like eye products are. This is a eye serum, like I mentioned, and it says just to apply under eyes, eyelids, and orbital bones, morning and evening to look and feel refreshed. I might give it a try. I have been getting some baggage because of stress and not sleeping. But again, I don't really ever use skincare, so we'll see. But yeah, this retailed for $42. When I showed my mom like on FaceTime what I got, and she was like, oh my god, I would use all that stuff. But she unfortunately does not live around here anymore. But she's like, put it in the spare bathroom for when I come to visit. But yeah, so these will probably be mostly used by her whenever she comes to visit. Anyway, the next product and last product is from Skin Inc., which this is a pretty expensive brand. I've tried little minis from them in the past. This is $65 and it's the daily dose of Uplift, Smooth, and Lift. So this is a serum. I guess we can take it out of the little box. And this is what it looks like. It is really nice packaging. And it is like super cute. I love the pink and purple like little beads in there. But this doesn't have any instructions on here, so I'll probably keep it in the box actually. I feel so bad for her. So it says, finally a serum that's uplifting in more ways than one. The skin reviving serum with encapsulated collagen, coenzyme, and hyaluronic acid delivers an anti-aging power punch that helps give you a smoother, firmer, and younger looking skin. I'm sure my mom would love this. She loves serums and that kind of stuff. And I mean, I'm so bad with skincare. So bad. Like, I'm lucky if I use, like, I've been doing good just putting moisturizer on every night, and that's usually it. Besides washing my face. I wash my face. Yeah, so I don't know how much use I'll get out of this, and the little mini samples I had of this dried out so fast. And it says this is only 6 months, so honestly, I wouldn't buy this. Like, I mean, that's just me though, because I also don't use skincare. But it's $65 and you get quite a bit, but it's expired in 6 months. Like, that seems really fast. Especially if it's gonna just dry up in 6 months. I feel like that's gonna be, you're not gonna be able to use it up. But I don't know, that's just me and my thoughts. So yeah, I probably won't get a ton of use out of either of these 3 products. And then these are just kind of like extra things. They're not like, I have a million black eyeliners, so like I didn't need to get black liner. And I mean, this is cool. I do kind of like this. But again, like, I mean, I don't need anything, let's be real. But I don't know, I'm just not super excited about this month. Let me know what you guys got in your boxes. What I did want, I mean, I'm kind of looking at like what was in the other boxes. Where is it? Oh, the 2 things that I wanted, which were in other boxes, was the First Aid Beauty Hello Fat, or the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer. I've tried that before and I really liked it, and I would actually buy that product. So I did want that one. I obviously didn't get it, which, I mean, it's fine. But that's one that I wanted. And then I wanted the eye brush, the Lavish eyeshadow brush set. Those were like the 2 ones that I wanted, but that was the other variation. So it's fine. You don't always get what you want in subscription boxes. That's kind of the point, to try new things and try new brands. But that is everything that I have for this video. I'm looking forward, I mean, this will probably go up way after, but Monday the 17th is the pop-up sale, and hopefully I'm like hoping I'll be able to get some good stuff on that for a good price. So if you want to see a haul video, I'm kind of planning on purchasing stuff. I don't know what's gonna be on there yet, but I know it's usually good deals. So if you want to see a haul video from the pop-up shop, if I do buy anything, let me know down below as well. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys like this video. Definitely like, comment, and subscribe down below for more, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.